Hey guys, welcome back to Allie Can Cook featuring Mama McManus.
Hi, I'm Mama McManus.
And I'm Allie, and on today's episode of Allie Can Cook, we are showing you how we make our loaded sweet potatoes.
Loaded.
Yes. They're pretty much burrito bowls in a sweet potato. They are amazing, pretty easy to make.
Yeah.
Great lunch, great dinner, nice way to spice up some of the meals you make throughout the week, because we do add jalapenos and chili powder in these.
Yes, and it has your famous guacamole that's going to go on top that has a little bit of spice.
Yes. So if you guys don't love spicy food, feel free to omit those. But other than that, if you want to see how we make our loaded sweet potatoes, keep watching. The first thing that you want to do for the sweet potatoes is poke them to create some holes in them and then bake them in the oven at 350 for 45 to 50 minutes until they're soft to the touch, because you want to be able to scoop out the inside of the sweet potato.
And the reason you poke them is you don't want them exploding in your oven.
They explode.
They will if you don't poke them.
Jeez, please.
Yeah.
Alright, good thing we have Mama McManus here.
How you hired me.
While your sweet potatoes are cooking, you're going to want to prep all the ingredients that you're going to put into them. So we like to put corn and black beans into our sweet potatoes. So a cup of corn and a cup of black beans on the stove in some olive oil. Then we season it with a tablespoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of onion powder.
So next you want to make your guacamole. It's really simple, just a couple ingredients. We put in cherry tomatoes, green onions, and some jalapeno. Really secret sauce here is we squeeze it with a little bit of lemon juice and lime juice, and it makes it really tasty.
Yeah, lots of people only add one or the other, but if you add in both lemon and lime juice, it makes your guac
pop.
Yeah, well, it just takes it to a whole nother level. It's
Right.
really good. So then after that, your potatoes should be ready out of the oven, and then we can start to assemble them. Okay guys, so we have removed our sweet potatoes from the oven and cut a circle around the top of them and started to scoop out. Did you just eat some?
I ate some.
Oh my gosh. And we started to scoop out the sweet potato from the inside because we're gonna add it to a bowl, add some spices in now, and then re-stuff them.
They basically look pretty good, so they're like a little boat.
Yeah.
And you put your stuff inside.
Yeah, so we're just going to eyeball it. I would say about a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of chili powder, and a teaspoon of garlic powder into your sweet potato mixture, just to give it some flavor to go along with the corn and beans that we've already done.
And we need some vegan butter.
Teaspoon of vegan butter, just to allow it to kind of mash up nicely.
That looks nice. Good job, Al.
Thanks.
All right.
Mashing out all my anger today.
We were a little grumpy.
A little grumpy.
Yeah.
Now that our sweet potato mixture is mashed, we're going to add in our corn and bean mixture to it. So again, we use a cup of corn and a cup of black beans. Probably made a little bit too much for this. You could probably get away with half a cup, but it's always nice to have a little bit more so you can snack on it. Now that we have our mixture of the corn, sweet potatoes, and beans, we're going to add them into our little sweet potato boats here.
You know, this looks like something we should do for Halloween. Look at the colors.
Yeah, it does look
Kind of like a
Halloween.
pumpkinish. It does.
After you stuff them, you're going to want to add a generous portion of your guacamole to the top. Add some ground pepper on top. And then after you finish with the black pepper, you just want to add on some cilantro. This is optional. I know some people have a
Terrible reaction to it. They think it tastes like soap when they eat it.
yeah, I think it's something with your genes.
Yeah, I love it.
I love it too, so we're going to put on a ton.
That means I transferred my loving genes to you. Cilantro.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And voila! You have your loaded sweet potato. They look awesome. Has lots of great ingredients in it. Healthy for you.
The other thing too that we talked about was you can cut them differently, like just like a flatbread, right?
Yeah, you could do that as well. We're gonna go dig into these now outside, but we hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe. We make new videos every single Thursday, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye guys.
Bye guys.